How to fix iPhone apps download stuck in waiting on home screen. Is your iPhone stuck showing apps as waiting on the home screen while downloading from the App Store? First, make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. Poor internet is often the reason apps won't download. If the connection is fine, restart your iPhone by powering it off and back on. A quick reboot often solves the issue. Next, try pausing and resuming the app download. Tap the app icon once to pause it, then tap again to resume. You can also try deleting the stuck app, if possible, and re-downloading it from the App Store. If that doesn't work, go to Settings General iPhone Storage, locate the stuck app, and delete it from there. Also, check if you have enough storage space. If your iPhone is running low on storage, the app may not be able to install. Another fix is to sign out and back into your Apple ID. Go to Settings, your name, sign out, then sign back in. Finally, make sure your iPhone is updated. Go to Settings, General Software Update, and install any available updates. If all else fails, try resetting network settings under Settings, General Transfer, or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. If this helped you fix the stuck app download issue, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more iPhone solutions tutorials,